April. I just wanted to let you know that I'm not going to be able to go live tonight, but I wanted to come on and show you guys how to make this project. Super fun, easy, quick. You can use this for any occasion. And I've done one in Christmas and one in Halloween just to show you guys. But it folds like a matchbook. You're going to open it up. It has the Ghirardelli candies. And then you can do a message back here. And then I did this one for Christmas. And I used some decorative brads on it. And then I put my message here on this one. And then I used some paper. And it just happened to have the Merry Christmas on there. So I kind of offset this piece in the back. So different ways to do it. And I'm going to show you how I did the Halloween one. You're going to fold this inner piece on its score lines. You have 3 score lines here, and you're going to mountain fold one, then you're going to valley fold one, and then you're going to mountain fold one, just like so. Okay, so it's just kind of accordion style, and it should look something like that. Then you have 3 down here, and you're going to mountain fold, and then you're going to valley fold, and then you're going to mountain fold again. And I printed my paper. I got this from Design Bundles. I believe it is in the plus section, and it was just called Halloween Papers. Digital Halloween Paper, I think, is what it was called. And I accidentally cut this one upside down, but it doesn't really matter because the Happy Halloween goes in all different directions on this, so I guess it doesn't matter. Okay, so fun, fun, fun. And there's 2 holes in the front of this, so when you've got it folded, it should look like this from the side. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'll get it a little bit closer. Should look just like that, okay? And then this piece, you're just going to fold mountain, mountain, mountain. You got 3 folds on that one, and that's it. Kind of like a matchbook, okay? So that's on that, and I printed my paper. This is from that same pack, and what I did is I printed my paper in my printer, and then I flipped it over and ran it through and printed this pattern out of that. So all of these papers are out of that same pack, and I just printed a sheet, flipped it over, and ran it through and printed a different pattern on the back of it. This one I printed the same pattern, so it would be the same inside and out. You can do it however you want, or if you have double-sided paper. So you can see I cut these, and I'm just going to be flipping these different ways. But because I did that, I had to use white paper to do that, and it had a white edge. So I took my Copic markers and went around the edge, and it's just super easy, super simple. Go around the edge, and I hid that white area. Just like right there with those holes. They're not going to show, but I can go in and hide those just as easy. Same here. You might be able to see that white edge. I just got something that was close to the color of my paper. I'm not going to do it on this one simply because I don't know if my bread is going to hide it. Do it to the inside. But you're just going to go around and hide that white edge. And I did the same thing with the green, okay? Very easy. So now that you've got it all folded, the next thing you want to do is find your holes. You got 2 holes on the bottom of this one and 2 holes on this one. And we're going to line those up. And I'm just using some small, tiny brads here. If you have the decorative ones. I had some witch hats and some ghosts, but I couldn't find them. So you're going to put one brad in, and then you're just going to open that up, just like that. And then you're going to bring the other one in and just thread it through both, and then you're going to open that up. And this is so your brads don't show when it opens up. They're totally hidden, okay? So that's why I'm doing it this way. If you don't have brads and you prefer to staple, you can do that. Or you can just simply glue them. And if you want to do that and then put some decorative dots or something on the outside, and if you want to do that, just contour out your holes. Just go in and detach your score lines, click the piece, and then click contour and hide all contours, and then go back to your canvas and select your score lines and attach them back to it. You can do it without even moving anything on the file. So once you have it done here, then you're going to come in on this tab right here, and you're going to put some glue. If you prefer to use tape, then you can use tape here. It's not a lot of stress on it, so any of your adhesives that you like will work here. And we're just going to line that up and let it set. And then I'm coming in here with my glue, and if you're using tape, you'll want to put your tape on before you do that line of glue. That way you can get to it. But I'm just coming in here and I'm staying below the brads because I don't want to glue it above the brad. So I'm just putting a little bit of glue here, and then I'm going in and putting a dot right here in this fold so that that one adheres to. Just a little, you don't need much. And then we're just going to press that down, and that's going to create that pocket so that when it's opened up, if they open it this way, the candy doesn't fall out. Okay, you don't want that to happen. And this was just easier than making a tab and then having that extra bulk in it. You don't really want it to be bulky. And so once that grabs, then that pocket is going to be closed. Okay. And then we're going to move over to our pieces here. And I forgot how I did this one. I did orange, so I flipped it over. That's how I did it. So I'm just going to, and you can pop dot this up. As a matter of fact, I think I will. I'm going to pop dot the main piece. So I'm going to put this on, and let's see. See if I can get some wording to show on that. There we go. And I just used my Cricut pen on this. I used boysenberry is what I used with this paper. So in case you're using the same paper, but you could use the black. I think I left it set at black in the file. So I'm just going to grab a couple of foam dots just to pop this up, and I'm putting one on all 4 areas. That way it doesn't sag. Peel those liners off, and we're going to place that right on the inside so that it's showing. Okay, it's not in the fold up here, but it's showing, but just to show them that there is a message back there so that they can fold that down and see. If you want to move yours higher up, just don't get into that score line right there. You can fold that back and place it how you want. Then I took this piece, and I think I'm going to pop this one up. I didn't do it on this one. As a matter of fact, I had a boo-boo on this one, and I had to fix the file for you guys. So you're going to have a little bit more border than I did because I did fix it for you guys. But I had already cut mine before I realized I had a error on my sizing. I'm just going to pop that down right there. Go ahead and stick my candy in there. And I get these from Close to My Heart, and I just wanted them to kind of look like bubbles because it says elixir on here. So I'm just going to grab up a few of those, and you can put them down in any positions that you want. You don't have to do it just like I did. So we've got those on there just to give it a little extra. And then I'm going to put some foam dots on this one as well. And on this one, because it's the front, don't want that sagging either. I'm going to put a couple down the center as well. Just so we don't have any sag. Maybe that's probably overkill, but why not? I have them here. Better safe than sorry. These would be cute for a wedding or a baby shower as a thank you. Halloween, like I'm doing here. You can hand out to the neighbor kids. Lots of things. Now, before I put that on there, I'm going to close this, okay? And you're just going to close it like you would a matchbook, okay? And it closes in nice smooth line. And then we're going to pop this on. That way you get it so it's centered when it's closed. And that's where my sizing error came in, because I made it the size of the panel and forgot that it's going to be tucked. So I had it too large. You can see that's way too large for it. But we fixed it. So how stinking cute is that? This would be really cute if you've got some ghost brads or witch hats or even ones that say boo. That would be really cute. So that is super easy, quick, done. The kids can do these. They can help you do these. And you'll have a lot of fun putting those together. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please give a thumbs up, a like. Don't forget to share. And please leave a comment down below. Guys...